No.
Hey, yo, no matter help me no. No matter help me no.
No, but
call me and say, oh, no, call me name.
We get it.
876 Street. You want to name the 5 second challenge, see? I have to a set of questions and now 5 seconds for answer it.
Yeah.
Cool, so I'm going to make it a little easier to make ask the question first, then I'm going to start the time.
Okay.
Cool. Start with you, Nana. Okay. So, first question. Name 3 Reggae Boyz who played in the World Cup 98 squad.
Ricardo Gardner, Onandi Lowe,
Cool. Okay, great. Good. After a good start.
Hold on.
You can't ask me them questions still, you know. No one whitewash.
So me.
Yeah. You're not getting the same question.
Oh, the same question.
No.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so name 3 Reggae Boyz who currently play in England.
Leon Bailey, Daniel Johnson, Joe Lattibody.
5 seconds done.
No.
That close.
Don't pull from yourself.
If you ever see DJ, you remember.
If you never say Premier League with a slope, but if you say England, you make it easy.
You get the other one now.
Yeah.
Name 3 Reggae Boyz who currently play in Europe but not in England.
Shamar Nicholson, Chivante Stewart, and Kai Paris. Yo, 5 seconds shot, you know. 5 seconds shot. No, but
Nickname.
We could have said nickname. You have to give me that one there still.
Yeah, man.
You have to give me that one there still. Full name hard for 5 seconds.
Name 3 clubs that Leon Bailey played for.
Genk, Aston Villa, Leverkusen.
Yeah. Too long. Yeah. Alright.
Go ahead for this easy. Name 3 clubs that the player beside him for.
Him? Colorado Switchback, Montreal, and Charleston.
Name 3 Reggae Boyz.
Yeah, my question.
Name 3 Reggae Boyz who played. No, sorry. Name 3 Reggae Boyz who scored in the goal.
Liam Bailey, Demar Gray. John Russell. No.
Hey, yo, no matter help me no.
No, but
call me and say, oh, no, call me name.
We get it still. Let us go first goal. We get it still.
Yo, you're close, you're lucky.
No, we have to say Michael, but we just remember Michael.
Yo, assist kicker to the Michael. Yo, you're lucky, you got the one there close.
Yeah, man.